Hi and welcome. In this short video, I'll guide you through the land-based aquaculture report platform, your new access point for the most up-to-date intelligence on recirculating aquaculture systems and modern flow-through technology. The report was first published in 2020 and has become the most referenced industry resource on land-based aquaculture. The fifth edition of the report will include lots of new insights, including forecasts. We are launching monthly analysis and a digital project database updated in real time. To learn how to use these enhancements, keep watching this video. In a new digital home, the annual report is found alongside two new major features of LBAR: the Land-Based Aquaculture Monitor, LBAM, and LBAR Digital, our online database of projects. The LBAM is Spheric Research's new monthly report, which provides analysis and a global roundup of industry activity. You can access these reports either by clicking Explore Monthly Reports on the homepage or through the top navigation menu. Each LBAM includes in-depth analysis and a roundup of global news on land-based aquaculture. You can download each LBAM by clicking the download icon in the top right corner of the viewer. Now let's look at LBAR Digital, the database of land-based aquaculture projects. This is updated in response to industry news and our own updates. You can use multiple filters to search the database: by project status, by country, by species, and by latest updates. For example, you can search for all land-based projects in Canada, then refine your results to show only Atlantic salmon facilities. Each row in the database provides key project details at a glance, such as name, status, country, species, and production capacity. To dive deeper into a specific project, click a project name. This opens a profile page where you'll find project updates, a timeline showing recent developments, company background, information on key executives, project details such as location, capacity, and commission year, investors and technology providers, and a project photo gallery. The annual report comes packed with more insights than ever. New features include forecasts on salmon production from land-based facilities. We analyze CapEx, OpEx, and capacity utilization averages. On this page, you'll find a summary of what to expect in the upcoming edition. As a subscriber, you can revisit any previous editions you have purchased from this page, ensuring continued access to the insights you've come to rely on. Whether you're looking at past trends or anticipating market shifts, this is your landing page for the LBAR reports. That's the full overview of the LBAR platform. Whether you're tracking competitors, monitoring market shifts, or identifying investment opportunities, everything is designed to help you stay ahead with actionable, data-driven insights. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the new standard in land-based aquaculture intelligence.